Villarrica, Spanish, Volcán Villarrica, Mapudungun, Rucapilan, is one of Chile's most active volcanoes, rising above the lake and town of the same name, 750 kilometers, 470 miles, south of Santiago. It is also known as Rucapilan, a Mapuche word meaning Pilan's house. It is the westernmost of three large stratovolcanoes that trend NWSW obliquely perpendicular to the Andean chain along the Mocha-Villarrica fault zone, along with Quetrayupilan and the Chilean portion of Linan, are protected within Villarrica National Park. Guided ascents are popular during summer months. Villarrica, with its lava of basaltic andesitic composition, is one of a small number worldwide known to have an active, but in this case intermittent, lava lake within its crater. The volcano usually generates strombolian eruptions with ejection of incandescent pyroclasts and lava flows. Rainfall plus melted snow and glacier ice can cause massive lahars, mud and debris flows, such as during the eruptions of 1964 and 1971. Villarrica is one of 9 volcanoes currently monitored by the Deep Earth Carbon Degassing Project. The project is collecting data on the carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide emission rates from subaerial volcanoes. Geography and geology. Villarrica stands in the Chilean Central Valley as the westernmost of an alignment of 3 large stratovolcanoes. The alignment is attributed to the existence of an old fracture in the crust, the northwest-southeast trending Mocha-Villarrica fault zone. The other volcanoes in the chain, Quetrayupilan and Linan, are far less active. The alignment is unusual as it crosses the NS-running Liquiñawqui fault, along which several active volcanoes are aligned. Villarrica covers an area of 400 square kilometers and has an estimated volume of 250 cubic kilometers. It contains volcanic caves and about 26 scoria cones. The constant degassing at the lava lake turns the otherwise quite effusive lava more viscous, heightening its explosive potential. 2 large ignimbrite layers are visible, the lichenignimbrite and the more recent puconignimbrite. Villarrica emerged during the Middle Pleistocene and grew, forming a large stratocone of similar dimensions to the current edifice. 100,000 years ago during the Valdivia interglacial, the ancestral Villarrica collapsed following an eruption and formed a large elliptical caldera of 6.5 and 4.2 kilometers in diameter. During the last glaciation, Villarrica produced pyroclastic flow deposits, subglacial andesite lavas and dacite dikes. It collapsed once again 13,700 years ago, forming a new smaller caldera. Among other pyroclastic flows, the lichenignimbrite has been related to this event. Beginning with the lichenignimbrite, generated just after the last deglaciation, activity continued in similar fashion. The puconignimbrite was ejected during a minor collapse of the uppermost stratocone 3,700 years ago. Glaciers. The upper part of Villarrica is permanently covered by snow and has some 40 square kilometers of glaciers, the largest of which is the Pichilancahuturbio Glacier situated on its southeastern flank. Ash from the eruptions can increase the ablation of snow and ice by absorption of solar radiation. Some ash coverings are thicker than 5 centimeters and insulate the glacier, decreasing ablation instead of enhancing it. Between 1961 and 2003, Villarrica lost 25% of its glaciated surface and the glaciers shrank at an average rate of -0.4 square kilometers each year. Tourism. Villarrica is popular for climbing with guided hikes to the crater from the town of Pucón, but these may be suspended due to cloud or volcanic activity. Helicopter overflights have been available since 2007. In the winter, July to September, a ski resort operates on the northern slopes.